Sari stars, how are things going on in your saree world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavasram I have a very beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees for you. We call our collection Kanchi Kaleidoscope, and when you see the kaleidoscopic colors in today's collection, you'll see the reason. So let's get started with today's collection. We begin with a grand Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk saree in a lovely shade of Arakku Maroon. Vairavusi is one of the most coveted designs in Kanjivaram silk sarees where the zari lines run along the length of the saree. This gives rise to a shimmering effect which is like a diamond-like effect, and so it's called Vairavusi. Vairam means diamond in Tamil and Usi means needle. So this saree is called Vairavusi because you have these lines of zari running along the length. The borders of this beautiful sari are rettapeta zari borders. You have two rows of zari and there are elephant and pakshi motifs, peacock motifs done in zari. There is a beautiful short green selvage to highlight the beauty of these motifs. All over the body there are Annam Chakra motifs in zari. So this is a very grand, very majestic Kanjivaram Vairavusi silk sari. The pallu of this gorgeous sari is stunning and it has beautiful zari motifs of Araimadam, Tambalam, Banaras and Rudraksha motifs all done in zari. This is a very grand, very festive sari fit for special occasions. The blouse piece of this sari is like this in Arakku Maroon with the zari stripes. You can pair it with its own blouse or a blouse in a short green and accessorize it with traditional diamond jewelry. If you're someone who loves pastel threadwork Kanjivaram silk sarees, then this one is for you. It's in a very soothing combination of pea green and pink. This is a very unusual, very beautiful combination. The body of the saree is in a lovely shade of pea green and there are horizontal pale pink stripes running along the length of the saree. The borders are threadwork borders. There is a row of pakshi motifs in pink. The inner pink band has threadwork motifs which are like diamond shape, and in between these two pink portions there is a sea green band. So this is a very subtle, very pleasant combination and it's a very, very beautiful saree. The pallu of this beautiful sari is having the same colors as the borders and there are motifs of pakshis and diamonds all done in thread. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in a beigeish color and it has these pakshi motifs all done in thread. This is a very beautiful, elegant combination. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a baby pink blouse and accessorize it with some beaded jewelry. A fabulous threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous green. The body of this gorgeous sari is in a lovely deep emerald shade and there are threadwork floral buttas in a yellowish color all over the body. The borders have very beautiful motifs of Jadai Naga, which is a hair ornament, and the entire border is done in thread in a combination of green and yellowish thread. There is a maroon selvage which highlights the beauty of these lovely motifs. The grand pallu is completely done in thread and it has gorgeous motifs of Jadai Nagam, Banaras and floral motifs. The sari comes with a deep maroon blouse fabric with the same borders. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely garnet choker. For lovers of traditional Kanjivarams, we have a beautiful and exclusive Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this beautiful sari has small katam in shades of maroon and yellow. The borders are Korvai borders and there are Jadainagam motifs. It's a rettapet border. You can see 2 rows of sari. And the base color of the border is a very unique and very exclusive pastel mauve shade. The majestic pallu of this beautiful sari has motifs of yana, that is elephant, kudara, that is horses, and beautiful diamond motifs. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same pastel mauve shade as the borders. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with lovely traditional diamond or gold jewelry. If you love black and if you love no zari Kanjivaram silk saris, then this one is for you. This sari is inspired by the Chettinad cotton saris, the Kandagi saris. The body of the sari is in black and it has horizontal stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders are Ganga Jamuna borders. The upper border is a greenish mustard color border and the lower one is an Araku border. Both the borders have threadwork motifs. The pallu of this stunning and elegant sari has seepareka in thread. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a blouse in either the upper border color or in a maroon color blouse and pair it with some traditional gold jewelry or some beaded jewelry for a classy look. A no zari Kanjivaram silk sari, this one is in an absolutely delightful short color. The body of this grand Kanjivaram silk sari is a lovely short of chartreuse green and beautiful magenta. The borders are threadwork borders and it has beautiful motifs of Mayilkand and Kodai Visari all done in thread. The pallu of the sari has seepareka motifs done in thread and there is a grid of threadwork motifs along with this. The blouse piece is a beautiful magenta with the same borders as the sari. This is a very beautiful and very lovely sari. You can see the dual tone effect when you wear this and step out in the sun. You can pair it with some traditional gold jewelry or with beaded jewelry. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a gorgeous shade of copper sulphate blue is what we have for you now. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of copper sulphate blue and it has all over katam done in thread. The borders of this beautiful sari are in a lovely sea green and it has Mayilkand motifs done in zari. This combination of copper sulphate blue body and this beautiful sea green border with the zari motifs makes this a very delightful sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in the same sea green as the borders and it has seepareka done in zari. The sari has a sea green blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with lovely pearl jewelry. A classic and much loved combination in Kanjivaram silk saris is navy blue and pink. We have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari for you in this lovely combination. The body of this beautiful Kanchivaram silk saree is in a lovely shade of navy blue, and it has these X or dice board kind of motifs all over done in zari. The borders are in a lovely pink and it has retape to zari borders. There are 2 rows of zari and a lovely green selvage to highlight the beauty of this gorgeous saree. The pallu in pink has beautiful motifs of pakshi, paisleys and banaras all done in zari. This is a very elegant and regal looking saree and it's one of my favorite sarees from today's collection. Our lovely collection of Kanchivaram silk sarees is perfect to bring out the festive best in you. You can also gift these sarees to your loved ones and enjoy the vibrancy and beauty of these lovely sarees. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and